Hi students, let's see exercise 3.5, question number 2-1. I'll read the question once. For which value of a and b does the following pair of linear equation have an infinite number of solutions? 2x plus 3y equals 7, a minus b into x plus a plus b into y equals 3a plus b minus 2. Ready? So here it's already given the equation have infinite number of solutions. Ready? So from here we have to find out the value of a and b. So the first equation will arrange one more time. That is 2x plus 3y. 7 is in the right side. We'll carry it to left side. It will be minus 7 equal to 0. Second equation what will do? So already here a minus b into x plus a plus b into y. See, 3a plus b minus 2 is in the right side, will carry to left. Then what will happen? It will be minus. So, minus of, I am writing the entire term inside the bracket. Ready? That is 3a plus b minus 2 equal to 0. If this 3a plus b minus 2, if I carry to the next side, it should be negative, isn't it? 3a should be minus, b should be minus, and 2 should be plus. So what I am doing, I am taking minus as common outside and writing the term same. Ready? Now what will happen? Here we will take this as a1, b1, c1. This will be a2, b2, c2. We are not taking small letters because in the answer part, small letter a and b is there. So we will take capital letter a1, b1, c1. Second equation will take a2, b2, c2. Ready? Now what you will do? This is already given in the question. What is that? The equation have infinite number of solutions, isn't it? So given the equation have infinite number of solutions, therefore, what is the condition? A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2. This implies, what is the value of A1? From here, the value of A1. A1 is 2. So 2 by A2, what is that? A minus B equals B1. B1 is 3. 3 by B2. B2 is A plus B equals C1. C1 is minus 7 by C2. That is minus of 3a plus b minus 2. Now numerator and denominator minus will cancel. This implies we will take the first term and the last term. Ready? That means what you will write? 2 by a minus b, ready, equals 7 by 3a plus b minus 2. Ready? That means this implies we will go for cross multiplying. See, this way we will cross multiply. Means 7 into a minus b equals these two. What is that? 2 into 3a plus b minus 2. Ready? This implies 7 into a, 7a minus 7 into b, 7b. Opening the bracket with 7. Ready? 7 into a, 7a, 7 into minus b, minus 7b equals 2 into 3a, 2 3s are 6. 6a plus 2 into b, that is 2b minus 2 into 2, 4. Ready? Now all the terms will carry to next side. Ready? That means this implies 7a minus 7b is already here. Now 6a coming to next side, minus 6a, 2b goes next side, minus 2b, minus 4 goes next side, plus 4 equal to 0. This implies 7a minus 6a. 7 minus 6, 1. 1a means a. So we'll write a. After that, minus 7b minus 2b. Minus into minus plus. That means 7 plus 2, that is 9b. After that, the same sign, that is minus 9b. After that plus 4 equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Okay, now let us see second and third terms from here. What is the second one is 3 by a plus b equals 7 by 3a plus b minus 2. Now we'll cross multiply. Ready? That means these two will multiply first. 3 into 3a plus b minus 2 equals 7 into this 2. What is that? A plus b. Implies 3 into 3a. 3 3s are 9. 9a plus 3 into b, that is 3b minus 3 2s are 6. Equals 7 into a, 7a plus 7 into b, 7b. Now what will do? All the right side terms will carry to the next side. That means to the left side. This implies 9a plus 3b minus 6. Now 7a goes next side. Minus 7a. Minus 7b goes next side. Minus 7b equal to 0. Ready? This implies. Now what you will do? See, 9a minus 7a. 9a minus 7a. What you will get? 9 minus 7, 2. That means 2a. After that, 3b minus 7b plus 3 minus 7. Plus and minus. What you will do? Minus. That means 7 minus 3, 4. But here the bigger number is minus. So the answer is minus 4b. After that, minus 6. Minus 6 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Ready? See, a minus 9b plus 4 equal to 0. That is first equation. After that, 2a minus 4b minus 6 equal to 0. This is the second equation. These two we got already. Now what do you do? We want the values of a and b. We are going to use here cross multiplication method. Ready? So this one, here we can take a1, b1, c1. This will be a2, b2, c2. The thing is that in these equations, variables are a and b. Here the variables are a and b, not x and y. Ready? So we are taking a1, b1, c1. Here, what is the value of a1 which is near to a? Thus a1 is 1. b1, what is the value of b1 here? Yeah, minus 9. And what is the value of c1? c1 is 4. Ready? Now here, what is the value of a2 which is near to a? That is a2. That is 2. And b2, what is the value of b2? That is minus 4 and c2 is minus 6. Ready? Now what you will do? We will follow cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method is b1, b2, c1, c2, a1, a2, b1, b2. Ready? These two together will be, before means we are taking x, here we will take a and this will be b and this will be 1. Okay, that means what you will do? b1, b2. b1, b2 means minus 9 minus 4. After that, c1, c2. c1, c2 means 4 and minus 6. a1, a2. What is that? a1, a2. That is 1, 2. One more time b1, b2. That is minus 9 minus 4. Ready? These two together is a. Here will be b. This will be 1. Ready? That means therefore a by these two will multiply. That means minus 9 into minus 6 minus these two will multiply. That is minus 4 into 4 equals here b. b divided by these two will multiply 4 into 2 minus this two. What is that? Minus 6 into 1 equals 1 by. See, these two will multiply. That means 1 into minus 4, 1 into minus 4 minus this 2, 2 into minus 9. Ready? So this implies A divided by, now see, minus into minus, plus, so no need write. Now 9 6 are 54. Ready? After that, minus into minus, plus. Then 4 into 4, 16 equals B divided by this two. 4 2s are 8. Now see, minus into minus, plus. 6 1s are 6 equals 1 by minus 4 into 1, minus 4. Now minus into minus, plus. 9 2s are 18. See what we done? A divided by 9 6 are 54, plus, because minus into minus is plus, again minus into minus, plus 4 4s are 16 equals B divided by 4 2s are 8, minus into minus plus, 6 1s are 6 equals 1 by 4 into 1, that is 4, but of course minus is there. So minus 4 plus, because minus into minus is plus. Now 9 2s are 18. Ready? Now this implies A divided by 54 plus 16. We will add it, isn't it? So what you will get? 70. Ready? This equals B by 8 plus 6, that is 14, equals 1 by minus and plus. What you will do? Minus. That means 18 minus 4, 14. Now what you will do? The entire denominator will cancel by 7. So 7 into how much you will get? 70? 7 tens are. Now 7 into how much you will get? 14. 7 2s are 14. 7 into how much you will get? 14. 7 2s are, isn't it? So this implies what will happen? A by 10 equals B by 2 equals 1 by 2. Ready? Now what will happen? First and last will write. That means A by 10 equals 1 by 2. Let's cross multiply. That means A into 2 equals 10 into 1, 10. Therefore, A equals 10 by 2 equals 5. I think you can understand, because 2 5s are 10. Ready? So 2 1s are 2 5s are. Ready? Now what you will do? Second and last. That means B by 2 equals 1 by 2. Both sides 2 2 will cancel. That implies B equals 1. So the value of A is 5 and B is 1. Let's go to the next question. I'll read the second question. For which value of K will the following pair of linear equations have no solution? Of course the equations are given. 3x plus y equals 1. 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y equals 2k plus 1. Ready? What you will do first? We will arrange the equation into one side. Means what you will do? 3x plus y plus 1 goes next side, minus 1 equal to 0. Ready? From here we will find out the value of a1, b1, c1. Ready? Here what will happen in this equation? 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y, and this part will carry to next side. See, these two together will carry to next side. Then minus of, what you will write? 2k plus 1 equal to 0. The entire term I am keeping in bracket, so minus will be outside, equal to 0. So now from here we will write the values of a1, b1, c1. What is the value of a1? a1 is 3 and b1 is the coefficient of y, that is 1, and c1 is minus 1. Ready? Now second equation, what is the value of a2? a2 is this one. What is that? 2k minus 1. And b2, what is the value of b2? b2 is k minus 1 and c2. c2 is this one. What is that? Minus of 2k plus 1. Ready? Now what you will do? It's already given the question. The pair of linear equations have no solution, isn't it? Therefore, given the equation have no solution. No solution means what is the condition? No solution means A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2. Balance. What will write? Yes, not equal to C1 by C2. Ready? This implies what is the value of A1? Check it that 3 divided by A2 is 2k minus 1. Ready? Equals B1. B1 is 1. 1 divided by B2. What is the value of B2? That is k minus 1. K minus 1. Not equal to C1 by C2. What is C1 by C2? C1 is minus 1 divided by C2 is minus of 2k plus 1. But of course minus we can cancel. Now we want the value of k, isn't it? So let's consider this 2. What is that? 3 by 2k minus 1 equals 1 by k minus 1. Let's cross multiply this one. These two will cross multiply. Ready? So 3 into k minus 1. 3 into k minus 1 equals this 2. What is that? 1 into 2k minus 1. 1 into 2k minus 1 implies 3 into k. We are opening the bracket, isn't it? So 3 into k. 3k minus 3 into 1, 3 equals 1 into any number, same number. That means yes, you can write 2k minus 1. Now k will carry to the left side, minus 3 will carry to the right side. That means 3k plus 2k comes to next side, minus 2k equals minus 3 goes next side, plus 3 already here minus 1. So 3k minus 2k, 3k minus 2k, 1k. 1k means you can write k equals 3 minus 1, that is 2. So the value of k is 2. Ready? Let's go to the next question. I'll read the question once. Question number 3. Solve the following pair of linear equations by the substitution and cross multiplication methods. Ready? Here we have to solve it, but we have to use two methods. One is substitution and the other one is cross multiplication. Ready? So I am going to do by substitution first. Substitution method. Ready? What is the equation? 8x plus 5y equals 9. That is equation number 1. Second equation, 3x plus 2y equals 4. That is equation number 2. Ready? From the first equation, we will find out the value of y. Ready? So what I will write, the first equation will write one more time. That is 8x plus 5y equals 9. Therefore, 5y equals 9 is already in the right side. 8x goes next side, minus 8x. Ready? Therefore, y equals 9 minus 8x. 5y means 5 is multiplying. So, multiplication goes next side, divided by 5. This is equation number 3. Substitute the value of y in equation 2. We got from first equation, so we will put in the second equation. Therefore, equation 2 implies, what is the second equation? Second equation is 3x plus 2y. In place of y, we will write the value of y. Third equation, what is that? 9 minus 8x divided by 5 equals 4. Ready? This implies, see, we will take the common LCM, 5. Ready? We are taking LCM as 5. And this 5 will multiply to here now. 5 into 3. 15x. See here I am taking 5 as the LCM. So if I take 5 as the LCM, I have to multiply to here this 5. That means 5 into 3, 15. Plus. Now we'll open the bracket. 2 9s are 18. Now 2 8s are 16. That is 16x. Of course there should be minus because 2 into minus 8. That is minus 16 into x equals 4. This implies 15x minus 16x, plus and minus. Minus, that means 16 minus 15, 1. Of course, the bigger number is minus, so the answer is minus 1x. Ready? Plus 18 divided by 5 equals 4. This implies 1x means minus x. Minus x plus 18 equals 5 is dividing, goes next side, will multiply. That means 4 5s are 20. Therefore, minus x equals 20 is already here. This 18 goes next side, minus 18. Ready? That means we'll get 2. Therefore, minus x equals 2 and x equals what will happen? Minus will go to next side. That means minus 2. Ready? So the value of x is minus 2. Now what you'll do? Substitute the value of x in equation 3. Therefore, equation 3 implies, now what is the third equation? Y equals 9 minus 8x by 5. Ready? So we'll write y equals 9 minus 8x. In place of x, we will put the value of x as minus 2. So 8 into minus 2, because of minus should be in bracket, divided by 5 equals, ready, 9 minus into minus plus 8 2s are 16 divided by 5 equals 9 plus 16, yes, 25. 25 divided by 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. That means answer is 5. Therefore, x equals minus 2 and y equals 5. So we got the values of x and y. But which method we applied? Substitution method, isn't it? Now what we'll do? We'll follow cross multiplication method. Ready? For cross multiplication, we have to rearrange the equation one more time. That means what we'll do? This implies 8x plus 5y, 9 goes to next side, minus 9 equal to 0. Ready? Second equation, 3x plus 2y, 4 comes to next side, minus 4 equal to 0. From the first equation, we'll get a1, b1, c1. Here we'll get a2, b2, c2. Ready? That means here we'll write the value of a1. What is the value of a1? 8. What is the value of b1? b1 is 5. And what is the value of c1? c1 is minus 9. Ready? Now we'll take the values of a2. What is the value of a2? a2 is 3. What is the value of b2? b2 is 2. And what is the value of c2? c2 is minus 4. But we know that cross multiplication means we'll use b1, b2, c1, c2, a1, a2, b1, b2, isn't it? So b1, b2 means we'll write what is the value of b1? b1 is 5, b2 is 2. So we'll write 5, 2. That is b1, b2. After that, what we'll write? c1, c2. c1 is minus 9, c2 minus 4. So b1, b2, c1, c2. After that, a1, a2. a1 is 8, a2 is 3. After that, one more time, b1, b2. That is 5, 2. Now, these two columns together, x, these two together, y, and these two together, 1. This implies, what will do? X divided by, these two will multiply. So, 5 into minus 4 minus, these two will multiply. So, minus 2 into minus 9. 2 into minus 9. Because of minus, it should be in bracket. Equals y divided by these two. What is that? Minus 9 into 3. Minus should be in bracket. Minus 9 into 3 minus these two. What is that? Minus 4 into 8. Minus 4 into 8 equals 1 divided by these two. 8 into 2 minus 3 into 5. Ready? This implies x divided by 4 5s are or 5 4s are 20. But of course minus is there. So minus 20. Now minus into minus plus 9 2s are 18. Ready? Equals y divided by 9 3s are 27. So 27, but of course minus is there. Now minus into minus plus. 8 4s are or 4 8s are 32 equals by 8 2s are 16 minus 3 5s are 15. Ready? This implies x divided by plus and minus or minus and plus. What will do? Minus. So 20 minus 18, 2. But of course we know that the bigger number is minus. So the answer is minus 2 equals y divided by minus and plus. What will do? Minus. So 32 minus 27 will get 5. That means the bigger number is plus. So the answer is plus 5 equals 1 divided by 16 minus 15, 1. Okay. So we got it now. X by minus 2 equals y by 5 equals 1 by 1. Now first term and the last term will take. That means x by minus 2 equals 1 by 1. Let's cross multiply. X into 1, x equals 1 into minus 2, minus 2. The value of x is minus 2. Now we'll take second and last. That means y by 5 equals 1 by 1. Ready? That means cross multiplying. Y into 1, y equals 5 into 1, 5. So we got x equals minus 2, y equals 5. Ready? So we got it, x and y by both methods. First we done by substitution method. After that we use cross multiplication. Ready? So let's do the balance answers in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe this channel and wait for the next videos. Ready?